Hey guys, welcome to my Whitelabelify review or maybe Whitelabelify review. Okay, so whatever you want to say, you can say that. So this is the dashboard of this tool, and inside this video I will give you a detailed walkthrough of Whitelabelify software. So before getting into this product, let me start with a short brief description about this product. So this tool is all about giving you 6 SAAS based product. Okay, so what do I mean by SAAS? So basically SAAS means software as a service product, like 6 software as a service based product, or in simple language you can tell that software product will be given to you inside this tool, and you can use that tools for your purpose, for your making stuffs for you, or you can serve your clients with that 6 stuffs. Okay, and with this product, what is the main purpose of making this video is to give you my bonuses. Also, one of my main purposes to give you my bonuses. Basically I want to give you some 8 bonuses, and if you purchase it from my website, then I will be commissioned from the owner, from the vendor who is selling this product. Okay, who has just made the product. And let me show you my bonuses now. If you want to purchase, so I have some good bonuses for this tool. So firstly, let me clear you that about this timer. So these bonuses will be remain there for 2 days and 13 hours and for some minutes, and that is very strictly followed. And once you have just missed the timer, let me explain you what you can do. That you can click here and you will be redirected to my Facebook page. From there you can message me, and from there you can get the bonus link if I reply once I reply your message. But after purchasing the product, you have to do that. So basically you should do it as soon as possible, as soon as within this timer times. Okay, so my bonus number 1 is Phoenix, and inside Phoenix pack what you will be given that in Phoenix is all about affiliate marketing pack, like solo ads and list building packs, and how you can just how you can just use the full potential of your list, of your email list, how you can build email list faster. That will be given inside this pack. And also solo ad staffs, who are the best solo vendors, some staffs, also related staffs given inside this pack. And this is a video tutorial pack, video training pack, the Phoenix, and that will be given to you inside my bonus number 1. Inside bonus number 2, you will be given 10 done for you funnels, totally free. Funnels are the backbones of affiliate marketing, and you can get 10 done for you funnel pages totally free, and I am using those funnels presently, and that will be given to you totally free once you have purchased the tool. And my bonus number 3 is all about making $100 a day. Basically there are some loopholes inside YouTube, and you can use other videos and some keywords to make $100 a day, and that will be given to you inside this pack. Inside this pack there are 9 videos inside this series, and those 9 videos will show you how totally very explanatorily will be given to you how you can just unleash the way, how you can just get the way to make $100 a day passively. And inside for bonus number 4, you will be given Power List Pro, that is a totally automated software to list building, to email list building, and this tool is all about giving you 6 products. Inside those 6 products there is also stuff like list building. Okay, and inside bonus number 5, you will be given Article Indexer Pro, which is all about the ranking your article just using other websites, like kind of blackhead stuffs. Okay, so you can rank your article via using other website traffic. That will be given to you inside this software. This is not a video tutorial pack, but an automated software. And inside bonus number 6, you will be given mega bonus, the vendors bonus bundle. Basically most of the affiliates will be giving you these bonuses, these vendor given bonuses. Let me show you what are the vendor given bonuses. So the first bonus is traffic secrets, and the next bonus is bonus number 2 is YouTube cash, and the third bonus is marketing masterclass bundle. Marketing masterclass bundle. So these 3 bonuses will be given to you from the vendor, and this is by default bonuses. Once you have purchased the product, you will be given those bonuses. And inside bonus number 7, you will be given upsell bonuses. If you purchase any upsell of this product, as the upsells are most costlier, you will be given some more bonuses, and that will be given to you totally free also. Once you have purchased any upsell product, any upsell of this product, you will be given those bonuses. Those bonuses like 200 plus softwares and PLR products, 100 plus PLR products, 70 plus plugins, and doodle images, doodle character images, those will be given to you totally free. So now let me show you the product from inside. So inside this product there are nothing much to show you. This is the dashboard, and some numeric statistics will be given to you also inside your dashboard. So the first option is products, and this is the main option of this tool. So inside this tool you will be given 6 tabs. Like the first tab is done for you bonus pages. Bonus pages is very essential to make your list, to building your email lists. Okay, and the next product is scratch and wins, like surprise. Let me explain you a little bit this scratch and win. Like maybe you have seen some spinning or any spinner inside any website, like they randomly come inside website, inside any pop-up, they just come sometime, and you just use the spin, and they show that you will be rewarded, you own that stuff, you will be given $200, something like that, from that content spinner. Or maybe there are some scratch cards, and you can scratch with your mouse cursor, or you can scratch via touching. If you are using that on your mobile phone, you can scratch them, and there will be shown that you have owned that car or this stuff, like these bonuses, this free package, that stuff will be given to you also. So done for you thumbnail package, inside done for you for thumbnail package, this is very basic to you. I think you have already convinced this stuff, and you can create your own thumbnail, or you can just use it for your clients. And done for you sales pages, and sales pages are really high converting product and high profiting product. Sorry, let me correct myself, high profiting product. Like inside Fiverr you can search, there are so many freelancers who are charging more than $100 to $1,000, or maybe $1,500 to $2,000 for making sales pages, and you can do that stuff very easily with this product. And also the simple ad stuffs. And the last thing is stunning logos. Okay, so those are the 6 tabs, and these are the premium products. Once you have upgrade your tool, purchase the upsell version, you will be given ads pro and offers pages. Okay, so this is the done for you bundle section, and this is also a upsell version, and this is the training. There is nothing much to show you, as I have already told you. And let me show you, there is another way to just get the view of inside this each and every package. Okay, let me show you. You can go through that stuff via this video. This video is like 10 minutes video. This video will show you that what you can do inside the bonus package, inside the sales package, like some examples are given there. Okay, so you can just check out this video before purchasing this tool. Let me show you let me clear you the sales funnel. Sales funnel is very important for this tool. So these are the ratings, you can go through them, and these are the pricings. The standard price is $37, and plus price is $67. $37 is for 50 customers, to serve 50 customers, and $67 is to serve 100 customers, and those two pricings are really justified. Okay, so I have to take some cuts inside my videos. Like I have to take this is the screen recorder which I am using is not a premium version screen recorder, and there is some issue with my credit cards. That's why I can't purchase the premium version at this time. Okay, that is why I have to using I am using this basically. Okay, so I have to take a cut after 3 minutes each and every time. Okay, so this is the date, like 12 February 10 a.m. The New York time, the New York morning, 10 a.m. EST, and this is the launch ending date. You can remember the launch starting date if you want to purchase it. They are giving you 30 days no satisfaction money back guarantee additionally. And these are the product description, and these are the stops. Let me go through the sales funnel a bit faster. Okay, so this is the product, the front end product I have cleared you. This is for 50 customers and this is for 100 customers. So this is the Done For You bundle. This is for $47 and this costs $47, sorry. So this is the description about this, like this will be done for you stuff by the vendor or provider. And inside Upsell 2 you can get the Pro business version, $47 per month for 250 customers, and the Whitelabelify Pro Enterprise, $97 per month for 500 customers. And these kind of tools are really profitable, because people are just getting inside internet to just doing freelances. Okay, like people are more prone to doing work from home, and pandemic just positively catalyzed those things, and people are doing more stuffs. People are doing work from home. That is the main purpose of this kind of tools is released. Okay, so these tools are really profitable if you have patience and if you are using it properly, obviously. And those were the bonus. I have cleared you the bonuses, also my bonuses, and also the product. I think I should leave now. So after purchasing the tool, what you have to do, that you should go through your purchase history option inside your Warrior Plus dashboard, and from that section you will be given this blue button, access affiliate bonus button, and that will redirect you to the bonuses. That is the only way to get the bonus after purchasing the tool. And I think I should leave now. I am signing out for the video. I'm wrapping up the video. So bye bye.